Electric bike. That's that new Yamaha, dude.
That was pretty sweet.
Wasn't it sick? It gets fast as shit.
There's a point that kind of goes straight and steep, and I'm like, damn, am I doing 80 right now?
Yeah, dude, it goes fast as shit. This will be a good road.
Subway down the block, I'm the only white boy here except for the cops. My landlord told me on the first night there, it's a pretty safe place, so don't be scared. The streets in the area are not that busy. Walking down the city got me feeling like I'm Diddy. Old Cadillacs, huge white rims.
It'll going down this, it will like start picking up.
Yeah.
And you got to use your front brake.
Okay.
Just be careful not to be on the front brake the whole time down, because it will wear your brakes out.
Oh, okay.
To an extent, you know? But like, you'll notice it'll start picking up.
Yeah.
So just be cautious, you know?
Oh, okay.
But I'll turn it on and I'll get some momentum and then just put it in neutral, turn it off.
Okay.
Time to go neutral down. We might have needed to get a little more momentum. A little more momentum. Why is my bike not going? Oh shit! Woo! Dude, it goes fast as shit at some points.
It kind of feels different too. Like,
There's not as much, you can't like lean the bike as much because you don't have that engine braking pushing you down.
and it also, like if I were going that fast, gassing it wouldn't be as scary as when it picks up speed. You kind of feel like you're on a bicycle.
Yeah.
And you're just like, whoa.
Yeah, but that bike, dude, we just keep gaining speed. Those bicycles, because we're so fucking heavy, you know? But it's cool. I like it. It's cool. It's different.
Who taught you that one?